Student, good morning. Now let's continue the topic permutation and combination. Before that, I have discussed the logic of factorial representation. Now, today we will learn the fundamental law of counting. Student, there are two laws of fundamental law of counting. First is law of addition and second law of multiplication. Students, see the law. When there are two or more tasks and we can select only one, then we apply law of addition. Means whenever there are two and more tasks and we are going to select only one and we are having number of choices, there are so many choices, then total number of ways can be obtained by law of addition. See, let a work can be done by M method and another work can be done by N method, and we are taking only one, either first or second. हमें केवल एक मेथड सेलेक्ट करना है. Then total number of ways is M plus N, because there are M method in first work, N method are in second work, and we will select only one method, so that can be done by M plus N ways. That is the law of addition. So in this law there are number of choices and we will select only one, so then we apply the law of addition. In the second law of multiplication, if an event can occur in M different ways and following which another event can occur in N different ways. There are two events, first can be occur by M base and second by another ways, and we are going to select all. Then the total number of occurrence of the events in given order is M into N. So there, whenever we will select all the events and there are two and more events and all the events are different, they are independent, their total ways are M into N, and we will apply the law of multiplication there. Now students, see the examples of fundamental law of counting. First is law of addition. Let there are three varieties of tea. There are number of type of the tea: green tea, lemon tea, right, and ordinary simple tea. Then 4 varieties of coffees and 5 varieties of cold drink. Then number of selection of one drink is 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 12. Here we are applying the law of addition because we will select either one. There are so many options and we will select only one option. So for such type of the cases we will apply the law of addition. So in this case we are having 12 method to select only one drink. Second is law of multiplication. Student, let there are 4 ways to reach from A to C, and there are 3 ways to reach from A to C, and there are 2 ways to reach from C to D, and all the ways are independent. Now the number of ways to reach from A to D, they will be 4 into 3 into 2, right? That is 4 is 12, 12 is 24. Right? Question is, why we are applying the law of multiplication? Because here all the roots are independent. There are 4 roots, they are independent. From B to C there are 3 roots, all the roots are independent. There are 2 roots from C to D, they are independent. When the person will go from A to D, he and C can take any of the route. If the person is taking this root R1, then he can select anyone for B to C, and he can select any root, right, from C to D. So all the roots are independent. To multiply all the roots, we will get the total number of base from reach A to D. Now student, this is the exercise 7.1. Question number 1. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, assuming that repetition of the digit is allowed? First part. Second, repetition of the digit is not allowed. Now students, see the solution. Let us suppose there is a 3-digit number. So there is a unit place, 10 place, and it is the 100 place. Now all the places can be filled by 5 base because repetition is allowed. This is the unit place, it can be filled by 5 base. We can take any number from 1 to 5. Similarly, 10th place also can be filled by 5 base because all the places are independent and we can take any number at this place because repetition is allowed here. Same 100th place also can be filled by 5 base. Total number of base are 5 into 5 into 5. They all are independent. So their product is 125. Question is why we are multiplying? Because all the places are independent. Any place can be filled by individually 5 method. They all are different. They are not dependent to one to another. That's why we are multiplying all these terms. Now in second part, repetition of the digit is not allowed. So when repetition is not allowed, then this place, suppose 100th place can be filled by 5 base, then this 10th place can be filled by 4 ways, and that unit place can be filled by 3 ways because repetition is not allowed. So if we are taking any 5 number here, then we will take only 4 number here because 1 number is occupied here. Then another this one is can be filled by 3 ways because 2 numbers are now they are occupied. Then total number of ways 5 into 4 into 3, it is 60. All the places are independent, so total product is 60. There are 60 ways to form the 3-digit number and the repetition is not allowed. Next is question number 2. It is how many 3-digit even number? There is a even number. Numbers can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If the digit can repeat, since digit can repeat, so this place, 100th place can be filled by 6 base. This also will be by 6 place. Since there are even number, so this place can be filled by only 2, 3 base, 2, 4 and 6. Because at this place we will take only even number. Then we will get an even number of 3 digit. So total number of base are 6 into 3 into 3. 6 into 6 into 3. 36 3 is 108. So answer is 108. There are 108 base to form the 3-digit even number from the digits 1 to 6.